Alright, welcome to the last video for lesson 2-4. We're going to jump into some word problems with this video. So if we look at example 6, Mrs. Schubert sells school supplies in the media center. She sells erasers for $2 per package and pencils for $5 per package. In August, she sold 220 packages in all and made a total of $695. We want to write and solve a system of equations to find the number of each type of package sold. So as always, we want to highlight our important information. We know that erasers are going to sell for $2 per package. Pencils are going to sell for $5 a package. She sold 220 packages in all, and she made a total of $695. So the next thing we're going to want to do is define our variables. So the thing that we're trying to figure out is the number of type of each package sold. So I'm going to define my x and my y. X I'm going to let be the number of packs of erasers. And for Y, I'm going to let that be the number of packs of pencils. Alright, so I see in my information I've highlighted, I see money jumping out. There's a money there, and a money there. So that's usually a good indication that those are going to be in the same equation. So I know that erasers sell for $2, and I sold X packs of erasers. And I know that pencils sold for $5, with the number of pencils being represented by Y. So 2x plus 5y, we know that she made a total of $695. Alright, now, we only are left with one other number, and that's 220. Remember, we talked about this in video from the word problems in section 2-2. If we are going to have a total, and we're missing the other two amounts, there's no two other numbers, we're going to need to do x plus y. Because we know they sold 220 total, x of them were erasers, y of them were pencils. To figure out how many erasers and pencils were sold together, we would just add those two together. So now we have a system of equations, and we're going to solve this using elimination. So first off, we need to see if we have a matching coefficients. We have a 2x and an x, and we have a 5y and a y. So this is not going to work to just combine them as is. We're not going to have anything cancel. So we're going to need to multiply one of these equations by something. Usually we are going to be multiplying the smallest one, and we could multiply to get rid of our x's or our y's. Since my x is a smaller number there, I'm going to multiply my x's on this one. So to get those to match, first, to get them to be the same number, I would need to multiply it by 2. Now this was a positive 2x and this was a positive x, so I need to make sure their signs are different, so I'm going to make this a negative 2. So I'm going to rewrite my original problem. 2x plus 5y equals 695 was my equation on top. And when I multiply that negative 2 through the bottom, I'm going to get negative 2x minus 2y is equal to negative 440. I'm going to combine those together now. My x's will cancel out. 5y minus 2y is 3y, and 695 minus 440 is going to be 255. I am down to just y's, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I'm going to get that y is equal to 85. Now, I plug into one of my two original equations. Probably the easiest one is going to be just this x plus y equals 220. So I'm going to do x, and then instead of plus y, I'm going to do plus 85 equals 220. I need to subtract 85 from both sides, and I get that x is equal to 135. Now this is a word problem, so I have to make sure I give my answers context. Remember, x represented the packs of erasers, so we're going to have 135 packs of erasers. And remember that my y represented the packs of pencils, so I'm going to have 85 packs of pencils. Alright, you guys go ahead and give the You Try problem a try. Check your answers on the solution page. And that will wrap up videos for 2-4. Complete your assigned practice. Make sure that you check your answers in the notebook in your classroom. Ask questions of your teacher whenever needed, and when you're ready, good luck on that mastery check. All right, we'll see you next time.